everyone, and welcome to the show. Today we have a special one. If you guys caught the video we did a couple weeks back where it was me applying for Installer of the Year, they compiled all the votes and the top 50 were named. If you know anybody in the car audio industry, I'm sure you've seen it on their page where they're thanking everyone and saying, hey, I made the top 50. Well, we made the top 50, but the journey is not over yet. We're actually going somewhere with this, and that's hopefully all the way to the top. Now, we'd like you guys to come with us on this journey, and how are you gonna do that is you're gonna help us out by voting for me. I know, right? Now, before you do that though, give me 1 second. Grab my laptop. I wanna read something to you real quick. Description: recognize retail installation professionals who have developed a reputation for their skill in the area other than fabrication. The individuals possess unique grasp of wiring, integration, installation concepts, and product knowledge, and actively communicate this knowledge to others to the point where they are recognized as a reliable resource by staff and industry peers. I don't know, but that kind of sounds like me. Just saying. So over the last several years, we've gone down this journey where we wanted to share what we learned, and we created this network of you guys, fans of the show, both in industry and out of industry, people that just love car audio, that just enjoy watching what we do. And trust me, we appreciate it more than you could ever possibly imagine. We never thought we'd be able to do something like this that we've created and keep doing it. We never thought we'd get that far. This brings us to the next part of this equation, the voting. Whether you work in car audio or you're just a fan or you just feel like voting because you're a friend of a fan, they can vote too. What you want to do is go to this website that's right here, select voting, select consumer voting forum, click it, fill out your name, city, phone number, email address, and then scroll down here to where it says, please select your choice for installer of the year. And then a couple down, it'll say my name, Dean Bayette, 5-star car stereo. Click on that, and then give a reason why you want me to be that guy. Now, if you're in industry, go ahead and select industry voting form store awards. Fill out the top of the page here, scroll down until you get to Trusted Tech. Now when you click on Trusted Tech, boom, my name's right there at the top. And select that, just like before, go ahead and type in a reason why you think I deserve to be the Trusted Tech. And then the last thing you want to do on both of them is submit your votes. Remember, submitting your votes is what actually posts the vote. Now listen guys, I want to thank you guys so much for joining us on this journey. We hit 100,000 subscribers on my birthday, or like the day before my birthday, which was incredible. I mean, I couldn't have asked for a more exciting 47th birthday. I know, right? 47? Oh my gosh. Who knew that this would go this far? But it has. And now it's time to have a little bit more fun, which is we want to bring home that industry award for the 5-star channel and be able to be like, dude, I watched this guy and he's the Trusted Tech. Wouldn't that be cool? Correct. I think it would be really cool. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a wonderful night as always.
Don't forget to vote.
Yeah, that. And then what else?
Bye.
I was just gonna say on to the next one, but you know, hey, see you guys.
Bye.